Hey, I want to give you a quick review on the most amazing home gym piece of equipment I've ever owned. It's by FEIERDUN, if I say that correctly. This is a Smith machine that has everything you could possibly want to get a great workout. I already crushed a workout this morning, but let me walk you through quite a few of the things. I'm not going to demonstrate everything. They have some really good videos on their company site. First and foremost, since it's labeled as a Smith machine, if you come over here real quick, you can see that just like any normal Smith machine, you have a really nice smooth rods that are attached. Everything's real secure with your little hooks, and it has all the different things. So if you're really, really tall, you're still going to be able to use this as well. Down here, it does have safeties. Smith machine safeties, which is pretty easy. You just kind of pull these up, move them around, so that if you're benching, you're squatting, and things like that, it's got that. It's also, everything's on a spring, which is fantastic. Other few things, some of the features I'll just show you right here is it does have safety bars, and a lot of these things they've figured out how to make them easier to come on and off. You just use a pin to pop them in, pop them out, so you can move these around. Also, it came with a handful of the band pegs. So band pegs, or if you're using rubber bands, a lot of times what I like to do is this morning I put a band on the bottom and wrapped it around here, which gave me that extra tension as I was coming out of the gate, which is great. The safety catches, which I do like to have the availability of these, slide in and out real easy. It's just really good, and these are really, really strong. They'll support quite a bit of weight, which is awesome. So you're gonna feel safe and secure, if I can get that in correct. And it just pops in, so you can move them up and down really, really quickly. And I'll just pop this one on real quick, and all you gotta do is just pop these pins in, and they'll lock in place. I just had that on the big one. It does also come with a landmine attachment. So a landmine attachment works by putting a barbell in here like this, and then you can do your rows. It came with quite a few attachments, okay? So let me show you this back here. Come back actually around this side. Comes with the attachments. You have your regular press down, like smaller one. You've got, it didn't come with that one. It comes with an extra chain, which is great. And it does come with a long bar. I had it around here somewhere. Here it is. It comes with a long pull down. So what I can do is I can hook the pull down right here. But before I do that, I wanted to show you this. What's nice about these is these things slide up and down real easy. You can do it like this, pull it up, and they lock in place on these as necessary. You can put them evenly. It did come with the handles right here. What's nice about these is you can do all kinds of stuff with them. You can do rows, you can do presses, just like this. I mean, this thing has got everything you could possibly want. It also came with L hooks. I got to touch on these. L hooks, or if I was going to do bench presses outside or even squats, I could obviously move this up. So if I wanted to have it higher and do squats on here, I could do that. But these will slide all the way up and down. And what's nice is if I took all these off, I can slide this all the way down, and it actually comes with a foot plate. So if I sat down on the ground here, I can do rows with it. I can also do standing curls with it. Everything you can think of. I mean, that's pretty much what I like about this thing is the versatility, ease of getting it taken care of. The other thing is my gym's been pretty dirty because I've been throwing plates all over the place on the wall, but it came with a really sturdy, and these are very solid. There's steel rods that go through here, so it'll support all the weight. So it's also allowed me to organize better and keep them on here. What's nice about this also is not just the Smith machine, but these are two individual pulley systems. So the two pulley systems right here, you can do them independently, right? So I could put different weights on this one because maybe I'm supersetting over here. I have this up high and I'm doing rows. Maybe I had this whole system set down here, different set of weights, and I'm doing low rows. So I got all that taken care of. Obviously, if you haven't seen it yet, it's got regular pull-up bars, so you can go up there. The other thing that I do like is, you might not know this, but I a lot of times will put bands through these so I can do band work. And down here, you'll see that hook down at the bottom, that little U kind of shape thing. You could easily put a battle rope on there or battle chain. In case you're not familiar with that, you can connect that and start doing your chains on it just like that. Didn't come with the bench. I just have this here because I was working out this morning and so on. It took me a little bit to put it together. They got a great instructional video to help you do it. And then I just had it all taken care of. I took the afternoon, put it together, and I got a great workout this morning on it. But probably the best piece of equipment overall that I've picked up, and I didn't even mention these. You can move these around for dip bars, bench presses and stuff, things like that. And as I use it, I could take stuff off, let it set aside, that kind of thing. But I've gotten a handful of pieces of equipment I've used with this company. They always make good quality stuff, fantastic. But if you're looking for one that has everything you pretty much could use, it's like bringing the whole gym, a commercial gym, home to you. It's all sitting right here. So if you're looking for a good piece of equipment, pick this up. Absolutely gonna love it.